This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. Thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 39 of Building Robocop. In this issue, we're continuing our right leg. Some interesting different bits in it, so let's get to that. After looking through production design on the streets, streets have altered for it. Stuff there, feel free to read all the words if you want to pause and zoom in. I'm just looking at the pictures. Yes, so we've got the right thigh, part 4. We've got top of the leg where it's got this, I believe it's going to be a hinged piece, because this is where he keeps his gun. So we're going to get that together. Yeah, looks like something hinged in there, which is obviously this top bit there. We're going to do the same thing down the bottom at some point. So if I believe both sides are open. Not entirely certain. We've got 4 issues to do, and I think we're not going to end up with the whole thing done by then, but we're going to get somewhere towards it being completed. Looking at Top Pio, plays ping pong. Oh, right, ping pong robot. Quite impressive. It obviously needs very fast movement for things like that. Here we go. Feel free to read all about the real world stuff. There we go. What's that? Eye tracking. All right, yeah, all good things. So, right, let's clear this out of the way and let's get this thigh piece built. So here we have the parts. We've got some all plastic this time, but that's not a problem. First of all, we're going to fit our little disc onto there. 2 different sized holes, so you can't get it the wrong way around, although no doubt I will try. Nope, just pops together like so. Nice and easy there. Then we need one of these SM screws. These are metal. The little hinge pieces are metal. So there we go. Some metal involved today. So let's get one of those screws out of there. Come on. Good one. No. Always end up getting both of them out. Let's put one back in because we don't need that one at the moment. But we might need it later, so it's always worth keeping hold of the spares. Let's see about getting that in there. Use my other screwdriver that actually got a magnetic tip to it. Hold the screw in place. So these 2 pieces together that way round according to the picture. Like that. So the screw's going to go through the top of that one. Into there, or is it just going to go through? It's just going to go through there, but it feels like it screws in there a little bit. Go through there and then into the top of that. A bit like that. There we go, get that tightened up. Now we'll tighten it up most of the way, but we'll make sure it's got some rotation there as well. So there we go. That's fine. So that is that. Then we need to attach that onto this bit that we've got before. Onto that pin there. And it's that bit that's going onto there. Right, let's get this the right way around. Yeah, so we've got a pin that goes into the hole and then a screw that goes into that other hole. Like that. We're using the other screws for this, the AP screws. Do need 2 of them out, so let's get 2 of those out. The third one. Not the little bit of paper that says AP on it, because I need to know what screws the ones that I've got left in there. Back in there then. So that will go through there. Hold that part together. And then this piece go onto there, also with a pin and a screw hole. Get it the right way around. There. And that will go together like so. Lines up like that. And we've got this bit that hinges. I can't quite get my head around which way round things are going to work, but we'll get there. Let's get it together, and then I'll try and figure it out. Once he goes in there again, we've got the pin through there, and then the screw through that bit. There we go. So yeah, that's obviously going to be attached at the top, and this piece will fold. Oh, can't fold inwards, can it? I thought it would. I'm not entirely certain how that's going to work, but I'm sure it will. So that's the top of the leg started with some movement there. I don't know how that's going to work. That's going to be folding into the leg that's already there, but there we go. So there's that. Thank you very much for joining me. See you soon for the next issue of this, when hopefully things will become a little bit clearer. But for now, stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye for now.